Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys with two controllers on Nintendo Switch. First, make sure both of your controllers are properly connected to your console. Then, simply launch Fall Guys from your Nintendo Switch home screen. Once the game has loaded, you'll be ready to proceed to the main menu and invite a second player to join the fun. Once you're in the main menu, look for the option to invite a second player. This is usually indicated by a prompt on the screen. The second player just needs to press a button on their connected controller to confirm their participation. You should then see both player characters appear in the lobby, ready for action. With both players in the lobby, it's time to choose your game mode. Navigate to the Duos Show option, which is perfect for two players. Make sure both of you are prepared and then confirm your selection. The game will then automatically start searching for other teams to compete against, getting you into the action quickly. During gameplay, remember to work together as a team. Communication is key to navigating the courses and qualifying for subsequent rounds. Help each other out, especially on tricky obstacles, to avoid elimination. Playing with a friend adds a whole new layer of fun and strategy to the chaotic world of Fall Guys. Have a blast!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.